And hello to you. Okay, so now it's time to make some clothes for this little girl. Well, the teenage daughter, say about 15 years old. Um, and her name is, well, there's two names for them, is Stacie and Skipper. So I decided I'm going to call her Stacie. Okay, she didn't come with any clothes. She only had this costume on, swimming suit. She had this, the only thing she's got when I got her. So I'm gonna have to make a, like with the baby and a boy, everything, because she had no, she doesn't have any clothes. At least the baby came with a baby grow and a boy came with a short pant and shirt suit type of thing. But she does just have this bathing suit costume. So first, I'm gonna make us some like underwear, but a very quick and easy way of making underwear for a doll. The best is to use like this lace that is stretchable lace. You can use that to make some clothes. I've got this one and I've got this white one, so it's nice and stretchy. So gonna show you a quick and easy way to make some underwear for her, and I'm somehow going to hand sew it and not use the machine because it's so little sewing work to do anyway. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I already make a one pair. It's so quick and easy. So I'm going to make another one now. Um, like I say, you use a stretchy lace, and I want like this little pattern to be in front. So I'm just going to put it around, stretch it around the body, not too much, to make sure that that's in the middle, and then just with a pin, just pin it. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, take it out, and then just straight, and I'm going to cut it off here. And then just make sure the right sides together, and on the back side I'm going to do a back stitch. Start from the top, where from the by the body, the top side, you start there. So like I said, I'm just going to start with a back stitch all the way down. So then you all the way down, just fold it in the center. And like with this one, it's just got this little leaves type of flower thing. It's actually more easier. Then you just catch the one in front there and just sew it together. Let me just cut that bit off. Turn it inside out. and you've got your little panties. And there you go. So easy. These are little panties. Okay, and then for the top, basically you're going to do the same, almost the same. Just lift the arms. Make sure you've got your little flower or your pattern that you want in the middle, and just take it around there, stretch it a bit.
And also just like the inside and outside together, do the same, just do a back stitch around the edge of the top here. And then in the front, this will be a back. Just going to cut off it. And then in the middle, in the front, I'm just going to just put it together. I'll just put it together a bit. And turn it inside out. And then I just thought on this one, I'm just going to put a little
Some beads, just to make it a bit more nicer. Waar is hij? And then, so make sure this is in the center. And then here by the arms, most of this stretchy type of lace got like a little, you know, a little ribbing type of thing on top. So I'm just gonna cut with my scissor just a little slit there underneath that. Just be careful not to cut it too deep. Let's get another scissor. I love this small one, but it's good. Okay, and there you are. So you can do that.
yeah, this one fits.
And there you go. Nice little cute little bodies or bra or whatever and a panty set. And like I say, I made this one as well. So there's two. So she's got underwear at least, because I don't like the dolls lying here all naked. So there you go. So the next one I'm going to start to make some clothes. I'm going to start with something easy, a top and a ski pant. So until next time, bye.